Welcome guys to my channel. I want to show you a few deals that I did in Walgreens. I'm sorry I didn't do a ad preview for Walgreens. It's just I didn't have time around the holidays. I'm cleaning up my house. I'm renovating my bedroom, so it's a big mess going on. So just I didn't have time. There's a lot of people in my house working at various using all kinds of tools. It's hard to record to make it all clear and quiet. My favorite deal is on this nice paper plates. Count is 20 inside. They are on a promo for $1.99 for one. And if you have points to use, I think it's a wonderful time to use them. I personally need plates all the time, and I feel if you have the points, I would rather waste it on the plates than anything else. As you could see, they are for $1.99. I bought two. I paid the total comes down to $4.23 with tax. I surrender $4 in points, and I paid 23 cents out of pocket. I think it's a great price. Like I said, if you're one of those that have points to lose, I think this is a great price. It's a stuck-up price for me. This is why I coupon. This is why I collect points. Back in the days, you could have, when we had to spend $50 of points, it would have been better. But you work with what you have, and that's what we have. The most points we could spend is $5, and I'm all about not paying anything out of pocket. So when I saw this, I said this is the time to stock up on the plates, especially that the Christmas is around the corner. I'm going to be entertaining a lot, and I'm going to be needing plates, and those are very durable plates. They are as good as the Dixie plates. So again, I'm going to be picking those up throughout the week. If you go to the store that don't mind doing a couple of transactions, just so you could do a couple of transactions, pick up two, surrender $4 in points, pay 23 cents out of pocket. I did it a couple of times one day on Monday, and then I did it two more transactions today. So pretty much have 1, 2, 4, 6, 8 sets of plates, but I will go ahead and do some more. I have a lot of points that I could roll into this, so I will do so. And I'm not cleaning up any shelves. I'm going to different Walgreens, so I'm not cleaning any shelves. So just so you know, another thing that I did is this drum right here. The retail on this drum is $119.99. I looked at Amazon, I looked in eBay, and they retail as high as $200. So it's already great price point for this. But this week, most of the toys are 50% off. So already a good price. As you could see, this week they are $59.99, and this coupon right here on the ad is saying if you spend $100 worth of stuff, you will get $130 in bonus cash. 30,000 points is $30 when you spend 100. Just so you know, if there is a scenario spent, you cannot pay with points. You cannot surrender any points. So just to be safe, just pay all in cash to get that $30 back. Or another choice is if you wanted to buy other toys. If you spend 40, you would get 10. If you spend 25, you will get 5. This one expires on the 4th, so if you really want something, hurry to get it. I wanted those two drums, so that's what I did. My transaction is as follows. I picked up two of them. Two of them will bring me to $119.98 with tax. I paid $127.60, and as you could see, I got 30 in bonus points back on my card. So $90 for both of them. I'm really happy to get those. You know, as you could see, I have a lot of points to flash. So if I could pick up more of those plates, I'll be a happy camper to pay 23 cents for those 2 packs. Anyway, that's all I did. I think that's all I'm going to do this week in Walgreens. You know, I'm really busy. We are renovating our bedroom, so it's a big mess going on in my house. I'm trying to clean up for the holidays. So I don't think I'm going to be shopping much this week. There's not a lot going on in Rite Aid. There's not a lot of going on in CVS that I want, that I need. So yeah, so you know, just pick whatever you guys want. I was looking to maybe get this mirror too. I have one like that, but it cracked. One day I was cleaning my bathroom and it dropped on the floor and it cracked. So maybe I'll pick up this mirror if anything. But you know, everything else, you know, there's some good deals here and there, but not as good as I would have to rush out and buy it. I don't need anything. I have a lot of things. You know, that's when you coupon, that's why you stock up to have it. If you're short of time and if you don't have time to shop, you have those things. Anyway, give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching my videos. Subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you part of you know, my channel, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.